Someone let me in. Can someone let me in?
Don't.
Who is that? Why is the doorbell? Very funny. Who did this? Great joke. Moving my belongings. Very funny. Oh, what the hell? Cranky. What happened to you?
Get out my way.
What? Okay, Ray, who are you?
No.
No what? Explain.
I don't know.
You don't know who you are?
Yes.
You mean you don't know who you are?
Well, someone did spill some tenants on me yesterday.
Spelled tenant on you? You trying to say tenant gave you life? Is that right?
I think so.
Well, to be honest, it does the same to me. Okay, so what do you want?
I want freedom. I want to see things.
I can do that. Okay, you're free. Do whatever you want.
Thank you.
Oh, but remember, watch out for the seagulls. It can get nasty out there.
Oh, fuck. This is better. Now where can I get another tenant?